Do you have a smell at your kitchen sink? Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber, and here are maybe 3 things that you can do to maybe get rid of that smell.
Hi, my dad Jim has been a plumber for 48 years. He's a master plumber in Michigan and a C36 licensed plumbing contractor in California. He has saved my wife and I thousands of dollars. But you just gotta watch out. He gets a little bit grumpy when he's giving advice, so don't piss him off.
First thing is, run more water when you use your garbage disposal. Most of the time, people just turn it on, turn it off real quick. No, you gotta turn it on, run the garbage disposal, turn it back off again, let it run for a little bit to wash that stuff out of there. You know, and if you have a garbage disposal, use it. Don't just use it as something to show your friends, but use it, run garbage through it. You know, it's a great device, okay? Another thing you can do is that you can take a lemon, an orange, a lime, and you throw it in and just run it for a little bit, maybe for 10-15 seconds, and let it sit there. That'll just kind of puts a little, different smell in there, of it. Now, let's show you underneath the big thing that I find that it happens over the years in which you keep the smell. You have your trap and your device. Now, this is a 1-compartment kitchen sink, so the waste comes out and goes right into the trap. But if you don't tend to run enough water, a lot of this part in here can stay with garbage in it. Your trap back here, your trap arm going to the wall, that can get a buildup in it. Well, the trap will stop that smell from coming back this way, but if it gets in this end of the fixture, you can't. That's what you're going to smell. And if you have a 2-compartment sink, you're going to have more piping. Just after a few years, maybe just replace the piping or take it all apart and clean it up and then put it back in again. That would be a good way to get rid of it. But I find that if it's an older piping, you take a sink apart and you look in there, a lot of time it's built up with a lot of waste that didn't get flushed through. So that's my suggestions. Keep that sink smelling a little better, because this has been in for a while and they don't stink. So I run plenty of water, and I might use some orange peels or even lemons and limes and stuff like that. So give it a try. Now, if you don't like my ideas, ask somebody walking by on the street.